This is also liquidity.
Guys,
Sell
we're
side.
live now.
And if we were to get a buy side
is
sweep, we
Bitcoin.
could look for like a sweep of this, or like a sweep of this.
So yeah,
But
I'm gonna
we'll
be bullish
see
right
what
now.
we get here. So
We're
we'll
delivering
play
off
price
of this
out.
4-hour bullish.
All right,
value
so
gap
we've
right
swept
here.
this.
I had it drawn out earlier.
Right, and now the second thing would be looking for an inverse fair value gap.
And on the 1 hour,
And we have this fair value gap here, but this fair value gap's too small.
Pulled back into it.
I have a rule to how big it should be. I don't take anything that's 4
just
points or
started
less,
8:30,
and I
we are
prefer them
pumping
to be
up.
at least 6 points.
Taking
I have
out
all of the
this
rules
LRR
in my
here.
Discord. They're in a PDF
I'm expecting
in my
us to just
Discord. If
continue
you guys
up.
want to join
Though I
and
would like to
check
get
that
a
out.
setup. I would like us to come
But
back
right
down
here,
and get a
so
long setup.
I wouldn't use this
And
fair value
discount.
gap. It's way too small.
Unless
So I'll wait to see if we get something
we
better.
take out this high
And
look for a
right
short
here, we
setup.
get a sweep of this
Because
liquidity.
then we would be inside of
So
this
now we have a
4-hour
liquidity sweep
bearish.
here.
If we sweep
Let's
that
see how
buy
big this
side,
fair value gap is. This one's only 2
we sweep
points.
that, and we could get a
So I
setup,
wouldn't want to
or
use
look
that.
for a long until we hit this.
Now
So
we
that's
just created this
plan
new
for today, pretty
sell side
much.
liquidity right here. And we sweep
gonna
it.
get rid of this.
So we get a sweep of this, and then we get
Now let me
another
pull up
move
the stream on
down
my
where we
second
take out this
monitor.
newly created liquidity. And
What's up? Cruise. What's up? Gotta start working on my 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 C
Any news today? 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 We're just gonna take out this buy side. 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 Brothers and take out this buy side. Brothers and take out this buy side. Brothers and take out this buy side. Wait. Oh my gosh, bro. Yo, I'm so sorry about that, bro. My headphones are off. I didn't know my headphones were off, bro, and it wasn't muted. Because I had the stream up to watch the chat. I'm sorry, bro.
All right. All right. So seems like we're going to just go up and take this buy side, which I'm fine with because then we can look for some shorts. Either that or we get a pullback and look for some longs. All right, we took out this. We still got some of that LRLR left. We check for, okay, we have a bearish SMT here. So now we could actually start looking for shorts. So higher time frame SMT here. ES already took this out. Gonna start looking for some shorts. Have a higher time frame SMT here. Oh, all right. Actually, never mind. Didn't miss anything there. It closed inside of this fair value gap. Maybe we get one more sweep and then a short. Man, I'm tired, bro. All right, maybe we get one more leg here. Because we have this bearish SMT on the hourly. I gotta pull this up. I can take a short off of that. That's two. Now we have equal highs as well. I want us to take these equal highs. What's up, Forever Humble? So initially the plan was to wait for this high to get taken out with delivery off this 4 hour. We inverse this 1 hour and kind of taking out this LRLR here. Now the problem is we have a bearish SMT here with ES, so gonna be looking for shorts here. Want to get one more sweep, especially with these equal highs here. Oh, what's up, Elijah? Maybe these equal lows would be good. Still pumping. We just took out this liquidity though. Bitcoin could go down here. Put that fair value gap there. ETH could go down off of this fair value gap here as well. All right. Let's see if we take out these equal highs here. Price just barely missed them. ES didn't even take these equal highs. There's no SMT there, so. Hmm. 4 hour imbalance above. Yeah, no. Right here. I'm aware of that. I'm also aware of the fact that we have a bearish SMT here, so I'm looking for shorts. Initially I wanted us to take out this liquidity and then look for shorts, but we have an SMT. Bruh. Why are you saying it like that? More. Or we just took out the equal highs. More. You looking for shorts, bro? We got a massive SMT, bro. More, you know what else is massive? Bro, the low taper fade meme, obviously. You're looking for this, bro, but we have an SMT here. Previous day high, which I would assume it's this. Previous day first high. I don't know what that is, bro. Oh. Yeah, this one. But we have an SMT there. On the higher time frame. The only way it would take a long is if we have some sort of retracement. I'm definitely not taking along here. But while we have the SMT and we're in premium and we have the 4 hour fair value gap there, I'm just gonna look for shorts. And then after we get, if we do get a pullback, then I feel like the SMT like move would have already been like done. But I was looking for it to go up. I marked this out earlier, this fair value gap when we inversed it. Price does go and take it out, I'm fine with that. I'll just take a short after we take it out. Or if we come back down, I'll take a long. Yeah, I know. I saw this LRLR on the 15-minute. Though this was a setup. That is a very bad setup, though. Especially with that wick. But yeah, I'm fine with it. We'll get better setups. That setup's way too far in premium. 15-minute fair value gap next. I don't think we're really gonna have a problem going through something like this. It's LRLR, so. Bro, be okay with with us taking the high before market open, bro. Because then you can look for shorts. After we come into that, and we sweep that, we have this bearish fair value gap and a higher time frame liquidity sweep to look for shorts. And we're already gonna be in premium if we do that. Bro. Or nothing is wrong with shorting. What does it statistically have a lower win rate? It might. I don't know. Oh, more. More. I'm gonna post that thing from yesterday, the slippage. Damn, what is wrong with this? Why does it not want to take this? Oh, we did create another SMT there with ES. What's up, Boris? Sucks that there's no setup here. Yeah, big SMT. More, you could be right in it taking out the highs. I mean, I wouldn't think you're crazy for thinking it is going to take the high. But ES doesn't seem to be moving up. Like we're having a lot of SMTs on the lower time frame right now. ES isn't really going up, but NQ's working its way up. It could be 6s to. Imagine it just runs it right now. Daily, I don't look at the daily. But 1 minute, if we get this to form. We have a 30-second there. Ooh, I might take this. All right. Now for 1R, for partials will be right here. What? Yeah. What? I'm gonna do break even at these equal lows right here. Or no, at this swing low. Right here. There's no news. There we go. Getting ready to move stops to break even. One, two. Put it like right here. I like the way we put in an order block there, so. Come on. It's taking forever. Bro, this drawdown is so annoying. My new break even is probably going to be right here. Because this is being annoying. I mean, that would put in an order block though. I'll leave my break even where it was before. I'll do this for break even because this will put in an order block if we close like this. I don't want to move stop to break even too early because I've done that before. Come on, bro. All right, I'm gonna leave this up here for now. This is being annoying, bro. Don't want us to leave more equal lows. Come on, or equal highs. I mean, I might move. I'm probably gonna move my stop to break even to this, unless we take out these equal lows or equal highs and then come back down. Gosh, it was loud. What's up? In the trader now, yeah. Yes. Bro, come on. Don't do this. Don't want to get wicked out. Should I move stop to break even after we take this? Just didn't want to close my trade too early, like I've done before. All right, well, maybe I guess I should have put stop to break even there. Do I get chopped out on this? Does it come back down? I'll be salty if it does that. Should I have put stop to break even there? Probably should have. No, I got stopped out. We might just sweep this. Let me do it with a 2 minute as well. I don't really want to take that. You have all these equal lows. I don't get why we didn't go down there. I mean, I guess I should have put my stop to break even here, like I said I was gonna do. Seems like we're just taking out this buy side. I should have moved stop to break even. We're probably gonna take this out. We're probably not gonna have this SMT anymore, which I'm fine with because then we can look for some shorts after taking out buy side, especially with that 4-hour gap there. It's just annoying I didn't move stop to break even here, like I said I was going to. When we created this high, or this low, I mean, and then we came back and took it, I said I was gonna move stop to break even there, and I didn't. Yeah. I definitely should have when it's choppy like that. But I just don't like getting stopped out too early or stopped at break even too early because I've done that a lot. But I guess in that situation, it would have been good. And it's not like it was just like right there. It was like halfway to first TP. Hopefully we get a setup after taking this. Maybe we get a manipulation leg or something. That'd be good. All right, now I'm just waiting for it to take this out. There's no way we don't. Now there's no lower time frame SMT either. But I'm not selling for 9:30 open. No. At this point, I just wanted to take this buy side. Did I enter? No. All right, there we go. We got that buy side. Now we're going to be looking for something here. Just pumped through it like that. All right, we have a 30-second, but that 30 seconds really big. So I'm going to be looking for this 1 minute. That 1 minute is also really big if we don't come back down. I want it to be big enough to use, but I don't want it to be this big. Because that big is that's really big. I want it to be a little bit smaller. Take this, I might have to take this with micro. Unless we get like one more leg up, which would actually be pretty nice. Or 2 minute. I'd like to get a better setup up here than this 2 minute. Like something on the 30-second would look good. I do have a 2 minute, but I don't really want to take that. So you do have this 2 minute here. This 2 minute looks a lot better. Especially if we just get like a clean inverse of it. So what do we have right now? This will put us green on the day if we get this. And it wins, of course, but there is a 3 minute as well, which I don't want to take a 3 minute. So I actually prefer to get a setup up here. Here we go. Continue up. Continue up. Please. 3-minute, we do have a 3-minute. I'm not taking the 3-minute. There's also a 5-minute, so I don't want to take any of those. I would prefer to get a setup up here. And we just left equal lows here. So maybe something to these equal lows. All right, that was a good close. And it's just gonna mess us up like that again. Equal ways. Or just leave equal lows. I'd be fine with that as well. But knowing the chart, it's not gonna leave them. Okay, maybe we will. Maybe we could get a setup to those equal lows. Want to get a good size fair value gap here. All right, want this candle to go up and leave this fair value gap. Okay, we're not going to get a fair value gap. We never get a fair value gap. Not whenever I'm looking for one, so. Are just inside of this 4-hour. Probably not. I don't normally just wait for 9:30. Not going to give us a fair value gap here either. Do have a 2-minute fair value gap here. If it gives us this 2-minute. It would look like that if I take this. Okay, we're gonna go through it like that, I guess. Still not a bad size for value gap there. What? I don't think we're inversing the 4-hour. Okay, maybe we'll get a 30-second here. Or not. As soon as I say something, it just does that. 2 minute just pumps like that, and then okay, so nothing there. Of course, it's gonna do that. Always does that. Don't even really know what price is doing right now with all these equal lows below and everything. So kind of just being annoying. Are you talking about better for us to wait till 9:30, bro? You know the amount of good, the amount of good trades I've gotten before 9:30. Okay, so why does it mean I have to wait until 9:30 to trade? No, it's just moving up. Price isn't bad right now, it's just moving up. This isn't like horrible price action, it's just annoying that it's not giving my strategy an entry. That's it. And then this one should have been break even when we made this, but I didn't do it. Even though I said I was going to. Oh yeah, I don't yeah, Boris, I don't enter into a trade before 9:30. Like right at 9:30, like right before it. Because I know that candle is always crazy. If that's what you meant by wait for 9:30, then I just say that. You said 9:30 is like news. Oh, we're one away from 750. All right, if we take this out, that would be good. We do have a 30-second here, but I'm not taking it unless we take this out. We do have like a 30-second SMT there, but it's not like a clean SMT, so I don't really like it. I would only want to take this if we sweep it. No sweep there is crazy. Well, we just took that equal low. We still have these other equal lows down here. The 1 minute equal lows are still there. If you guys are in the stream, please like it if you guys want to. All right. I want us to sweep this one, but well, that loss should have been break even, which I wish I did it to break even when I drew that out. I'm gonna make sure to put that in my journal. I need to take note of everything, or else I'm not gonna get better. When we were chopping like that, where was it? We went down, came back, and we came back. Barely closed above, but when we swept this, I should move stop to break even just because of like how choppy it was, but it's my fault. Don't really want to end the week red, so I'm gonna wait till we get a good setup. We're 5 minutes away from market open. I don't really want to get messed up with the 9:30 candle. So I'm probably not going to take any trades until market open now, just because I don't want to get messed up with the 9:30 candle. We only have 5 minutes or 4 minutes now. All right. A long. No, waiting for market open. We're too far in premium for me to take a long. Maybe if price had come down, maybe soup these equal lows delivery of the 1 minute, but especially because we have market open. We might be going for this high. Seems like we're gonna go through this 4 or just a 4 hour. Yeah, seems like we may go through this 4 hour. Good job. Well, literally just the first candle is the one that's too volatile because it comes out of nowhere. So anytime after, don't really care. All right, I think this is market open here. Could get a 2 minute short. But definitely have to switch to micros. Holy crap. But I don't think we're gonna get it because it's gonna be volatile. I might take out this. We do like 200. Yeah, I knew it was gonna take that out. Did not take out those equal lows though. Equal highs? No, there's no equal highs. Wait, it's loading. No, there's no equal highs. Don't think that it. I don't think that there is any equal highs. I just put the length back, but I don't think there is any equal highs. No, there's not. It's just, see, this is why I don't trade right before 9:30. Is because, see this candle, 43 points out of nowhere when like the biggest candle before is 27. So it's just like, if you go back, so it was a high, what? So it was a high really back in time and it formed equal highs. The current high still count. Yes, it does. But this indicator shows equal highs. I don't know what time frame you're on, but this is too far back for the indicator. Of course, bro. Gotta scroll all the way over here. What? Bro, it doesn't even show. There's not even 30-second for that. All right, so now would be the time to look for a long, I guess. We did sweep the equal lows. I think we did that a while ago, though. I think it was these ones. But yeah, now we're in discount, so. If it's not, I do have slightly different price feeds. What do you mean? You're on micros? If you're on micros, I definitely recommend doing your your analysis on NQ. Could reject this, but there's no setup here. All right, let's see if we get something here. We didn't inverse the 1 minute. But if we get a sweep like this, with the setup maybe. But I don't even know why I talk, because every time I say something, it doesn't give us a setup. What's wrong with my computer? How long have I been trading for? 2 years. But I was trading retail strategies for a while. For the first year, I took a break, and then I spent like 6 months learning ICT, and then I found inverse fair value gaps after a while. So I've been trading inverse fair value gaps for, I would say, probably like 6 months. Inverse fair value gaps. Yeah. But I did take a break for like 4 months at one point. How long like you became profitable? I'm not profitable yet. If I made a lot of money on trading, I would definitely charge. That's what 90% of people do. When nobody just like does alerts or something for free, or like signals or whatever for free. I just live stream my trading, and I trade with my chat. Like sometimes like you saw people in here took a trade that I didn't take because I didn't think it was really the best trade, so I didn't take it. So it's kind of just trading with people on and off. I'm not consistent enough to say I'm profitable. I wouldn't say I make enough to say I'm profitable. I do a lot of back testing, yeah. Especially as of recently. 4 hour, or it seems like it. Let's see. Could look for a long off of this. There's not really anything to take there, so no good setups there. All right, let's see. It's not updating my TradeZilla. No, what? Yeah, I'm still trading. Oh my gosh, bro, I haven't even checked chat in a while. The win rate of the strat is like at 80-90%. The one that I just took should have been break even though. That one shouldn't have been a loss. The yesterday's loss was an actual loss, and then the one from a couple of days ago, I didn't see the 3 minute. Or bro's not looks maxing. I'm not looks maxing. Equal highs got taken out on ES, I think. Bro, was I sitting there with my mouth open, bro? Is it? Is that I don't think I was, bro. I was on my phone. Bro, because one thing I noticed while trading, bro, on the stream, bro, is that I tend to do that. That is so bad. I didn't even realize I do that. What? I was talking to the chat. I can sync it. Let's go. Huh? What is the number of this account? What? No new trades found. What do you mean, no new trades found? Am I gonna have to reconnect this account to my TradeZilla? Unlink. Tradeovate. Demo. No new executions found? What are you talking about? No new executions found, bro. Because it says on TradeZilla, this is everything from this year. These trades were completely against the bias. I made videos talking about these trades. That was the video I made last week where I said I made these mistakes so you don't have to. That's what that one was. I'm not taking this short. We're too far in discount for these shorts. And I want to add this week's trades as well. There should be 2 winning trades here and 2 losing trades here as well. Or no, that'd be 3 losing trades. One of them was invalid, and one of them should have went break even. But I'm gonna go back and put notes on them so I can learn in the future. Oh my gosh. The strat is like 80-90 once you like get good at it. Like if you look at Dodgy, he took his his first red day in like 2 months. He's like the best person that uses this strategy. He's the one who made the strategy. So just to get this sweep. I still do a lot of back testing also. I just saw your comment again. That says, did you do a lot of back testing? I still do it. Not did, but I still do it. No, it's not because I moved stop loss to break even too quickly. I used to. Today I should have moved it to break even. There was this one. This is the trade I took. And after I wasn't gonna move stop to break even here when we took out these equal lows. But then after we created another low like this and we're chopping back up, created 2 sets of equal highs, said I was probably going to move my stop loss to break even here, and then I didn't, and then I got stopped out. So start moving stop to break even when we take out that internal is good. But I mean, we took it out twice. Like the first time I get it, it's a little like internal that we made, really small one. But the second time I should have done that. There's a 30-second here. Don't really want to take this because we're in discount. And price has been going sideways this whole time. So I want to get maybe a sweep of sell side and look for a long, what does this 4 hour look like? 5 minutes for this close. You should have ICL. I don't know what ICL is. $15 minutes looking bearish. We just went through 2 fair value gaps. I mean, we didn't go through the second one. We only went through the first one. But we almost went through the second one as well. I don't know what ICL is, by the way. Also, there'd be no entry for that 30-second. We took this internal. Could get delivery off that for this 30-second, but don't really know if I want to take it because this price action looks so sideways right here. Probably not going to take this. Yeah, I probably should have, especially after we took the internal a second time. Then that just proves that price is being choppy. And then the one from the other day, I shouldn't have taken it. I took the 2 minute, but there was a 3 minute as well, and the 3 minute got delivered from instead of inversed. And then there was a 30-second that day that I should have taken. I was gonna take it, but I had to switch to micros and I didn't switch in time. Because the stop loss was really big. And then yeah, I didn't get that one. And that went at full take profit. And there's a couple that I missed. The other day after I took my loss because I got off and there was a trade right after. Yeah, you remember that one. You were there. But yeah, I'm putting all my trades into TradeZella. So I have the my funded futures that I had at the beginning of the year. And then I also have my top step that I put in there. The my funded futures I blew it these 2 days. It didn't blow it, it almost blew it. So instead of, I mean, there's only what, $300 left of drawdown. That's less than a full trade worth of drawdown. So I just bought a top step because top step prices are cheaper than my funded futures. There's an activation fee. Yeah, you're fine. So I'm loading my top step, but it's not showing. I have it connected. Like if I go to add trade, broker sync, I have my top step connected. No new executions found. Makes no sense why there's no new executions found. Is that the wrong one? It should be add trade, broker sync, the sunset. This one is this one's the my funded futures that I don't have anymore. But I'm leaving it there because I want to keep those trades there. Oh, I don't have that. I don't have these rules set up. I have to click start my day. But yeah, I wanna get him on here. I don't know why it's not showing. I do have trades for that day. And then I'm gonna go through after it syncs and I'm gonna add notes to all the days that I lost. I would have got it funded from there, but they got a monthly fee. Everybody has a monthly thing. None of them are just a one-time thing. All of them are monthly until you pass the account. But you get a reset with every monthly payment. But this price is so sideways right now. FTMO doesn't, like many others. I'm saying like one-time purchase. I've never seen one that does a one-time purchase. All right, that looks like a good sweep there. Though on the 4 hour, 4 hours about to close. 4 hour looks really bearish. I'm not gonna lie. Probably gonna look for shorts if we come back up. Oh my gosh, 10 o'clock candle closes in 20 seconds. We did take this 1 minute. Could have taken that, but you gotta stop the break even already. But it did chop. That's why I didn't take. That's why I'm not taking that. And it's in discount. I do want us to come up, maybe sweep this, and then get a short setup. Something like that would be nice. I am bearish because of that reaction off the 4 hour, so I won't be taking any longs. I mean, we do have an SMT here, so this one wouldn't be horrible because of the SMT. That's a really big stop loss. 120, like 150. I would have to use micros. But I'm going to stick to looking for shorts because of that reaction off the 4 hour. I'm not taking longs. Even though there's an SMT there. I'm just looking for shorts here. If we get a sweep of this, if that setup works out, it's fine. I don't care. It didn't even get an entry yet. I do want us to come up and get a sweep of this and look for some shorts. If we get a sweep of that, there'd be some delivery off this 15-minute. And then looking for shorts with delivery off that 15-minute. That would be good. FTMO. What is FTMO? Also, does FTMO like give out, like, are they guaranteed payouts? Like, are they have a reputation? Also, how much are the things if they're just a one-time thing? It would be an entry there. That would be stop to break even right there if you took the long. Because we took out this internal here. Trying to see their prices. I don't even know where their prices are. This one, FTMO challenge, step 1, step 2, verification, step 3, FTMO trader, step 4, professional trader. A $10,000 challenge. Same rules. You pay the fee. There's 3 steps though. It's a 2-step. Yeah, that would have been stopped at break even if you took this. Like this would be possible, but we're so far in discount that I don't even want to take something like that. And it's not a obvious enough fair value gap. It's not horrible, but still. I would prefer a sweep of this and something nice, like maybe a fair value gap that big. But why is it not adding these trades, bro? Status success, but it hasn't, bro. No new executions found. What do you mean no new executions found, bro? Trade evade. Let me see if I do that. Okay, there we go. So that should be. All right, we did get a sweep there with a 1 minute fair value gap. But there's probably a 30-second where we have to wait for the 1 minute to close in order to say there's a 1 minute. My camera just died. Give me a second. My camera always dies, bro. I literally placed the battery right before I started streaming. Alright, there's no 30-second, but we do maybe have this 1 minute here. Hopefully we keep it. Maybe I shouldn't have said anything because every time I say something, it always messes it up. So we did get that fair value gap. We will have delivery off this 5 minute if we get this. Why are my headphones turning off, bro? There's no reason for them to turn off. Alright. No delivery though? What do you mean no delivery? Bro, this chair, bro. Roll. There we go. Good. What do you mean no delivery? 15 minute. And also don't need delivery. We have a liquidity sweep right here. It's either one. But we have delivery off the 15 minute and a liquidity sweep right there. Yeah. So it looked like I would have to use micros, bro. Or just one contract. Why are my headphones turning off, bro? Are they dead? Could be dead. I don't know why they'd have any other reason to turn off. Makes sense. They were dead. Let's see. Maybe we have a 2 minute here. We do have a 2 minute as well. I wouldn't take my trade on the 2 minute, but I would use that as I would want the 2 minute to inverse as well. If I take this. All right, let's see. If we inverse this here, then break even here. I'll do full TP at 1.5 R. I'm not gonna target all the way down there. If we inverse this right here, it will also be inversing the 2 minute. So let's see. All right, in there. Buy limit is right here. Do not put a stop loss. Let me set up the stop so I can drag it to break even. All right, so full TP is actually going to be right here. We inverse this 2 minute as well. No 3 minute there. Do have delivery off that 15 minute, which I like. So all right, seems like we're gonna have our stop to break even in a second. Why would it do a wick like that? That's so annoying, bro. Let me see. So we did sweep out this internal on ES already. And we just created equal lows right here on ES. We're coming back into this 1 minute bearish. I do just want to. All right. Well, I guess I got daily stopped right there. Daily stop or daily loss limit. So that's annoying. If this wins after I got daily loss limit, if this hits after I got daily loss limit, that'll be annoying. No, it didn't get stopped out yet. Look at that. It's rejecting this 1 minute, bro. I said I hope it rejects this 1 minute. If this hits take profit, I want this to take profit, but it's just annoying that I got daily loss limited. Now I would move my break even right here. It did not wick out. I don't use the hard stop loss because I have there's a daily loss limit. I want this to hit still. The only reason that it wouldn't hit would be because of the bullish SMT that we have right here. What swing low are you talking about? We didn't take out. You're talking about this one? It would only be because of this SMT. But we created these equal lows here. Sometimes that's how you move your stop loss to break even too quickly. I know what you're talking about. That's how you move stop loss to break even so quickly. Or too quickly sometimes. Probably the SMT. That too, but all right, well, I'm done for the day after that. There's 2 losses that either shouldn't have been taken because of that bearish SMT. Wait, when was that bearish SMT formed? Let me put this stuff back. So my entry was here. So entry is right here. So no bearish SMT yet. And then right here at this swing low, we made a bearish SMT, which I didn't move stops to break even at that bearish SMT. Then you can see we just went back up. Okay, that makes more sense. All right, so after that, I'm done for the day. Can I go to the 4 hour? Yeah. 4 hours bearish. All right, so I'm done after that, guys. No, it should have been the SMT. The swing low's too close, is what I'm telling you, bro. Like you could have used that as well, but the SMT is where I should have done it. But either way, the swing low's on the 30-second, and the trade wasn't even on the 30-second. Trade was on the 1 minute. So it's not even there. The SMT's on the 1 minute. I would have seen the SMT on the 1 minute. Let me see. Yes, the trade was the trade. No, that you cannot see that swing low on the 1 minute. Let me see. So right here we get the entry on this candle, and then right here we sweep this low, and that's right here whenever we swept that low. I should have moved my stop to wait, right here. Right here we sweep the low. Right, our entry was right here. Sweep the low right here, and I should have moved stop to break even there when we swept the low, because we didn't sweep it on here. So it's a SMT, bullish SMT, which pushed us up. You don't see that on the 1 minute. It's only on the 30-second. The trade was on the 1 minute. But yeah, definitely gonna put all this stuff down in my journal. I'll talk to you guys later. Let me see if this will put stuff in. There we go. All right, it finally updated my journal. Let me see. What? That is literally. Oh my gosh! I updated the wrong account, bro. What? I just did it. It said 10. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? I'm so confused then. I'm trying to get my journal update. It's whatever. Um, Biggest thing is the mindset. Not being open to criticism is your downfall. You're welcome. You're not consistent. You should always be open. Remember that. What are you talking about? I'm not open to criticism. I'm not open to criticism from people that aren't good with the strategy. I learn from people that are very, very profitable with this strategy. Those are the people I take criticism from. A lot of the people in these comments I don't know. Like in here, I'm just here to trade with people, bro. I don't I take criticism from people that I know that make a lot of money and are very consistent with the strategy. So I prefer to take criticism from the person that I'm learning from versus just random people. But I like being in here with the random people. I don't have anything against them. I like trading with them. I like talking with you guys. But is that the criticism that I take is from people that I know that are doing better than me. I'd rather take criticism from someone I trust versus um, just like other people. So that's it. Look at that chop, bro. It did chop out. It's going down. Too many got stopped too. Price is just so bad today. That's not the reason it lost though. Should have stopped at that. Like I know Sean MK. I know you said the thing, but like I'm not gonna see that on the 1 minute. I want to be part of. Good luck with trading. Okay. I just learned from people that are very consistent, so that's fine. I'd rather learn from someone that makes millions and trust their word over random people, but that's fine. I'm just in here to trade with people. Sean MK. Um, I know you're saying that you were using that sweep, which is fine, but it's just me personally. I prefer to like stay on the same time frame, like or at least like this time frame or like a higher one. Like when I was using like this 2 minute to go with it, and then like I know we both would have gotten stopped at break even if I followed that because it would have been fine. I would have seen this SMT, but I did see the SMT. I just ignored it, which is my fault. Because I did see it. I think I said something about it. I think I said I saw it, but I didn't move my stop to break even when we had it. No, I entered on the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute. 2 minute, I didn't enter on. The 2 minute looks way too small, but I used the 2 minute kind of as a bias because if the 2 minute didn't inverse, then I wasn't gonna take it. What? Are you saying because it hit take profit? It didn't hit this one, but it did it too. Look at 10-10. Yeah, 10-10. What do you want? What about 10-10? What about 10-10? No, that's not a low. It would only be a low if like you see this see how this next candle? No, if I was trading on the 30-second, yes, because you see how this candle like was above, it closed above. I have a video on like swing lows, but you see this? This is a swing low. When this candle, like, see how it closed here? And then this one came down, right? Below this candle, and then this next candle went back up. It didn't come back down. But on the 1 minute, it's not, it doesn't do that. Like this is a swing high. This is a swing high. This is a swing low. This is a swing low. This is a swing low. This would be considered one. Because see how the candles next to it are above it? Break even should have been switched like right here, because right here on this candle close, because ES already took this low, so now there's a bullish SMT, which tells me price wants to go up. So now I should move stop loss to break even. You can see price does that. Now this 10-11 would be considered a swing low. What? So the 10-11 is not considered a swing low? The 10-11 is, not the 10-10. The 10-10 is not a swing low. Unless you go on the 30-second, the 10-10 would be a swing low if you go to the 30-second. But you could say that with anything. Like I could be like I could be like, oh well, then if I go from the 30-second to the 5-second, like I would guarantee I could find a different swing low. So you have to remember it's all like, that's why if I entered the trade on the 1 minute, I was basing it on the 1 minute. I mean, I'm not saying you can't go to the 30-second. If that's how you wanted to do it, that's how you want to do it, you can. Like I'm not telling you not to. I mean, you got saved. I'm the one that took the loss there. But I also chose to, I personally took the loss because, not because of that, which you can do. I just feel like I did that before and I got stopped at break even a lot more than it saved me, because I was going too low of a time frame to like try to look for it. But because this SMT, if I didn't ignore this SMT, I would have also been stopped at break even. But you can go on lower time frames like that. It's just I personally don't do that anymore because I found that I got stopped at break even too much doing that. Once it formed that low, but it was not a low yet. It wasn't a low yet at 10-10. This right here made it a low. 2 candles later made it the 10-11 a low. You can do that, but that's not really a low. A low is like this. So after it makes the low, this would be a low. So if you were to go on the 30-second, you could say that this was a low, because you see how this next candle goes back up? Then you could say it's a low, and then you could say you moved your stop to break even here. But I wasn't on the 30-second. I know what you're looking at. I know what you're saying. I see 100% what you're saying. But I just have to acknowledge like that, like for me to grow as a trader, I just have to acknowledge that I saw this SMT, I said something about it, and I chose to ignore it, and that's why I got stopped out. I could have just taken profit there. Yeah, you can. It's all up to personal preference how you want to do your break even. But that SMT is why I should have got stopped at break even, or just took my profit while it was there. Um, but I ignored it, and I have to acknowledge that, and I have to put that in my journal and learn from that. And I understand what you're saying as well. It's all personal preference. Moving stop loss to break even is just a way to protect your capital, and how you want to do it is all up to you. And I broke one of my rules today, and I broke 2 of my rules today, and that's it. So, well, I broke one rule, and then the other one was, I guess that's a rule as well. So How do I start every week out good, bro? And then the second half of the week is just trash. Go to my dashboard. Every Monday, Tuesday, bro. That's crazy. But anyways, how did you not get stopped out? There was a stop out there, but it closed above. Even if you didn't have it like that, I put it on you. I know, but I don't use the hard stop loss. It's when it the at least the stop, but you got stopped at break even. Did you re-enter? I'm not gonna say like you're bad if you did or anything. I'm just wondering. Like a lot of people do like putting their stop loss at a swing high. The way I do it is I just do a stop loss close above because that's how I'm taught from my mentor. But right here is where I put my stop loss. It was this close above. So it's a manual stop loss. Oh, would have hit TP. Where did you do? Oh, yeah, because you got stopped at break even. Yeah. Yeah. Put your stop right there. All right. I'm done for the day after that. So that's 2 losses. Should have been 2 break evens, and I would have been done for the day with 2 break evens. But it's whatever. Yeah. Not really too much to say there. I mean, we did have delivery. Or no, that's not delivery. Yeah, inverse that. What am I saying? What is this? We're inside of that 1 hour bullish. Where were we inside of this 1 hour bullish? Let me get rid of this 4 hour. The 1 hour bullish was made right here. I'm just seeing something real quick. Okay. So here did we touch into it or we touched right on it? Okay, we touched right on it when we swept this. So this actually wouldn't have been too bad of a setup. It's just the fair value gap was pretty big. So I'm not gonna lie, if I were to take this, I probably would wait for a retracement. We did get a retracement. Would have been one contract for 1.5 R. That one would have worked. No, bro. I just straight up like, yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I'm not paying like good enough attention, like you're saying. But today, yeah, like the 3 minute, yeah. The 3 minute, I didn't even see the 3 minute. But today, bro, I feel like it was like I just straight up ignored it. No, bro, I just straight up ignored it. It's just, I don't know. I just straight up ignored it today, I guess, which is annoying. I'm like mad at myself for that. But let's see, when did it? Oh, it retraced after taking internal, so there would have been no re-entry there. Took internal and then, okay. So that would have been no trade. Unless just entered there and just held it, but I don't really know if I want to do that. Anyways, yeah, definitely gonna put this in my journal. If it'll actually upload my trades to the journal. I don't know why it's not. No new executions found. How do you find no new executions? I don't get it. All right, whatever. I'm gonna end the stream there. Thank you guys for joining up. We're gonna have a better week next week. What is it? What is that? 4 losing trades this week and then 2 winning trades. Should have been 3 winning trades. And then like 3 break-even trades. If I followed my rules right. No. 3 winning trades, 2 break-evens and 1 loss if I follow my rules right. But all right, that's it for this week. Thank you guys for stopping by. I'm gonna do some like deep studying this weekend, do some back testing, go over all of my trades this week, really see what I did wrong. I'm gonna post the thing we got yesterday, the break even we got, where it price like it failed us horribly with the slippage. I'm gonna post that, but I'm gonna post that on like TikTok or something. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for joining up. If you guys want to join the Discord, and I'll see you guys later.